So people want to know about financial growth and how you go from, doing 100,000 in sales to $1 million in sales, okay? And I think that's a big thing, and I don't think people think that's attainable. But the big thing that we did is obviously when we opened up, we priced ourselves a little bit higher than other barbershops, okay? But then we started to realize what we were offering was way different. So we slowly, over the last 5 years, have increased our numbers. But we've also increased services. We added hair color, we added facials, we added eyebrows, we added, you name it, and that's what's called evolving and not plateauing. Because we realized there was a huge demographic for men's color, and now we're slammed with it, right? So you gotta look at the margins and the roof. And we realized there was a ceiling on us if we were to continue to charge $35, $40 for a haircut. Where you gotta look at inflation and other things going on around you. Groceries are super expensive now, right? So for us to be charging $50 for a haircut now seems reasonable, especially with the experience and the service you get in here. So from going from year 1 to year 5 and realizing we're doing $1 million in sales now, yeah, it makes all the difference because we've evolved with the industry, but we've also listened to the target market and literally done market research. And that's why our clientele here and what we do within Glassbox is a lot different than other barbershops, right? And that's what sets us apart financially as well.